Welcome back to the channel. Today we are hiking one of Seoul's underrated gems, Bonghwasan Mountain. Bonghwasan is located in the northeast of Seoul, right between Jungnang-gu and Gwangjin-gu. It's super easy to reach and perfect for anyone who wants a quick, refreshing hike. The trails here are gentle and peaceful, surrounded by tall pines and quiet forest paths. It is a great place for beginners or anyone who just wants a relaxing walk without crowds. What makes Bonghwasan special is its calm vibe. It is not a tourist hotspot. It is more of a local favorite, perfect for morning walks, quick workout, or just clearing your mind.